Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to create Minesweeper game. This is the 9th video of our Python project series, and the old series link is given in the description. And if you don't have a PC and you want to code in your mobile, then you can do it too. Our video is already created on it. You can check out the link in description. I'm using PyCharm Community Edition. So if you don't have PyCharm, you can simply install it from your browser. Let me open my PyCharm. The code is given in description. The code length is about 285. We are using two modules, random and RE. Here I imported random and RE, and here is the code. Wherever there is a good explanation is also mentioned here like this. So all you need to do is to tap on run, stop and return, and let me extend it. Here is our Minesweeper game. It is showing us to select a row and a column. Let me select the row as 1 and column as 9 and press enter. It is not working. You have to mention a comma between them, so 1, 9. Here you can see 1, 9 was this, and the result was this. Let me choose another one. 3, 3, 2. Where would you like to do? Here we selected the row and column, but there is no specific result. So now let me choose 2, 3. There is a traceback recent call error, so there are some bugs. We can simply rerun this code. Here I rerun this code. 9, 9, 9, 1. Here the mine is represented with the button star. As I selected 9, 1, so which means this one, and the result was game over. Process finished with exit code 0. So this is for the video. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.